Welcome to Beautyistic, the place where we dive deep into the products that are here to change the beauty game. Today, we're talking about the 30-inch 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig in 12A unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. This wig promises a seamless, beginner-friendly installation with no need for adhesives or sprays, ideal for anyone who's looking to put on a great style with minimal hassle. Let's get into the details and see if this product lives up to the hype. This wig boasts a 5x5 HD lace closure, offering a natural look by blending the lace into your skin, making it appear as though the hair is growing straight from your scalp. The wig is made from 12A grade Brazilian virgin hair, known for its soft texture and elasticity from root to end, ensuring a natural movement. It's a 220 density wig, which provides significant volume for a fuller, more realistic appearance. The lace is pre-plucked and pre-cut, ready for a glueless application that makes it convenient and easy to install. No adhesive, no spray, no gel, just pop it on and go. The cap is designed with an elastic dome and adjustable band, ensuring comfort and a good fit for various head sizes. In terms of real-world usage, the installation was incredibly straightforward. The glueless design really made a difference. I didn't need to worry about fussing with adhesives or sprays, which is great for those who want a quick and easy install, especially for beginners. The pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots also helped create a more natural look, allowing me to wear the wig confidently without worrying about the lace being visible. The 220 density gave it a full look, but not so heavy that it felt too thick. It had a natural bounce, and the straight style stayed sleek throughout the day. However, while it was easy to use, I did notice a couple of areas that could be improved. While the wig provided great volume, it did need a bit of detangling after a few hours of wear. Minimal shedding was present, but it was consistent with the high-density nature of the wig. As far as comfort, the cap fit well, but if you have a particularly small head, the adjustable band might be necessary to keep the wig secure. The lace blending into the skin was impressive, but if you're used to lace closures with a larger lace size, the 5x5 might feel a bit restrictive in terms of styling options. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 5x5 HD lace creates a flawless scalp-like appearance, making it perfect for anyone wanting a natural-looking wig. The density provides volume without feeling bulky, and the glueless design is perfect for beginners. The cap is designed for comfort with an adjustable band and combs for a secure fit. It's also great for various occasions, from weddings to daily wear. On the flip side, the smaller lace size could limit styling options for those who prefer larger closure areas. Additionally, while the minimal shedding is expected, it could still be a minor inconvenience for some. In terms of value for money, this wig does offer a good balance of features for its price. It's made with 12/8 Brazilian virgin hair, which is typically high-quality material, and the pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace, and glueless installation set it apart from many other wigs in a similar price range. Given the convenience and natural look it provides, I'd say it offers solid value, especially if you're a beginner or looking for an easy, no-fuss solution. When comparing it to similar wigs on the market, it holds its ground in terms of the HD lace and glueless application. There are similar options at a lower price point, but many of those may lack the same natural-looking lace or the level of comfort this wig provides. More expensive wigs might offer larger lace sizes or extra customization, but for the price, this one strikes a solid balance between quality and convenience. The build quality feels strong, and the materials used in both the hair and the cap design show attention to detail. The wig is breathable and comfortable, and while I don't have long-term data, the overall construction seems durable for regular use. If you do experience any issues or have questions, customer support is generally responsive, but I haven't had direct interactions to fully evaluate this aspect. To sum it up, the 30-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig offers a lot of benefits for those looking for an easy-to-use, glueless wig with a realistic appearance. While the 5x5 lace size might limit styling for some, it still provides a solid balance of comfort, natural look, and volume. It's definitely well-suited for beginners or anyone looking for a convenient, stylish option for special occasions or everyday wear. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other wig lovers can find this video. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this product is in the comments box below. If you've tried this wig or have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep it beautiful with Beautyistic.